everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, sobrang exciting ang topic natin. Ang history ng manicure at nail art. Can you believe na ang nail art na trend ngayon may roots na pala thousands of years ago? Yup, hindi lang ito modern day fad. So let's rewind and explore kung paano naging canvas ang nails for creativity, self-expression, at status throughout history. First stop, Ancient Egypt. Imagine this, nasa 5,000 years ago tayo at yung mga elite sa Egypt gumagamit ng henna para i-color ang kanilang nails. Hindi lang ito for beauty, status symbol din siya. The darker the henna, the higher your rank sa society. Even si Cleopatra, super into bold nail colors. Talk about royalty vibes, diba? Marami din nagsasabi it all started in India kung saan women dip their fingertips with henna. It is a practice that continues to this day. Fast forward naman tayo sa China around 3000 BC. Alam niyo ba, dito unang naimbento ang nail polish? Yes, ang Chinese royalty ang nag-umpisa niyan. Gumamit sila ng natural ingredients like beeswax, egg whites, and gelatin to create an early form of nail polish. At ang formulation na yun ay kailangan ibabad ng matagal just to produce from pink to red color. During the Ming Dynasty, malalaman mo na agad kung ito ay royal blood dahil yung mga fingers ng mga kababaihan ay may nakasuksok na bejeweled nail guards. Mahilig silang gumamit ng gold and silver tones to show off their social status at minsan pa nga may halong precious stones ang kanilang polish. These colors weren't just for beauty. Symbol siya ng power and wealth. Kung sino ang may vibrant nails, sila yung mga royal or mas may mataas na rank sa society. Jumping ahead naman tayo sa Victorian era. Dito, ang nails naging symbol of hygiene and femininity. Yung mga ladies noon, binabuff lang ang kanilang nails para mag-shine naturally. It wasn't about bold colors or elaborate designs. Mas focus sila sa clean and elegant look. Simple but classy ang peg. It was during this time that we learned how to really take good care of our nails. Then, boom! Roaring 20s. And this is when things got fun. Dito na na-invent yung nail polish as we know it today. Isang French makeup artist na si Michel Minard ang na-inspired ng sobra sa pintura ng isang sasakyan. Nagpa-formulate siya ng nail polish ng kasing glossy ng isang automobile paint. At yan ang tinatawag natin ngayon na nail polish finish na shimmer. Brands like Revlon came in and women started flaunting classic red nails. Iconic, di ba? Popular din noon ang half moon manicure kung saan bare ang cuticle area. And it was all about glam and boldness. Now let's talk about a real game changer, acrylic nails. Alam niyo ba acrylics were discovered accidentally noong 1950s by a dentist? Si Frederick Slack ang nakadiscover nito when he broke a nail. Gumamit siya ng dental acrylics to fix it. And voila, acrylic nails were born. From that experiment, naging possible ang long sculpted nails na kilala natin ngayon. Acrylics allowed people to create stronger, longer nails. At ito rin ang nag-open ng doors for more creative nail designs and shapes. From there, patuloy na nag-evolve ang nail trends. Sumikat ang French manicure noong 80s for a classy and understated look. Tapos, noong 90s, boom ulit! Neon colors, bold nail designs, and super personalized nail art. Thanks to acrylics, anyone can have long, glamorous nails. Fast forward today, nail art is everywhere. Thanks to social media, we've seen an explosion of creativity. Mula sa minimalist designs hanggang sa super intricate 3D sculptures, people are using their nails to express their individuality. Sobrang wide na ng choices when it comes to nail art. So there you have it, the history of manicure and nail art is rich, colorful, and still evolving. Mula sa ancient henna to acrylic nails, the journey is full of surprises. Whether you're into classic shades or bold designs, your nails have a story to tell just like the people who came before us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty and nail tips. Till next time, stay polished and keep shining.